Hi everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can delete repost on TikTok. So it's very easy and simple. So to do that, go ahead and open up your TikTok and the home page will appear somewhat like this. Now what you can do is tap on profile, which is appear on the bottom right corner. So here near the lock sign you can see arrow to the up and the down. Go ahead and tap on it. You can see all your repost in there. So what you can do is select any video that you want to remove the repost to. So for instance, I'll just select this. Now here you can see you reposted option right there. Go ahead and tap on it. Here you can see reposted option, again tap on it, and here you get the option to remove the repost. Go ahead and tap on remove repost in order to delete the repost, and you are good to go. So this is how you delete repost on TikTok. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.